cat?
I don't know. She doesn't have a cat.
She said you had a cat.
No. She said cat. Like
Cat?
a cap. Like your mom's wearing a cap.
Swag. Chicago Bulls.
What?
Chicago Bulls.
Sure.
Swag.
You didn't hear what you said to me a while ago.
Oh gosh. It's always after we give her good stuff though.
Is that my phone? Is your phone? I see two phones. Whoa!
I'm coming. Ready? Okay. We're going to go over these instructions right here. This is his prescription for... Oh, we can't video too.